welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Glam Life vlog. So I am going to an event tonight, and you know, I want to start off with my little look and like a little get ready with me, but I guess I'm already ready. But this is an area, like a little jacket and an area dress, little tube top look. If you saw my last Glam Life vlog, I tried this on in my fitting vlog. If you are new to my channel, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to keep in touch with me on all of my other social media platforms. I do post a lot of videos and content on TikTok and Instagram, and I even do Snapchat and Facebook and literally everything. And my website, I have a blog as well, and I also have a fashion brand, Luxari, that I started last year, so definitely check that out as well, and it's also available on TikTok Shop. But yeah, I am getting ready. I just put on my outfit, put on my earrings, and then now to put on my fragrance. And as always, I want to talk about my favorite fragrance company, Dossier. This one I'm wearing today is Floral Pear. They have the best designer dupes ever, and it's actually the designer dupe for the Jo Malone English Pear and Frisia cologne. I love that fragrance so much. And did you guys know, it's like a little fun fact, I think Taylor Swift wears Jo Malone fragrance, so like, you know, a little fun fact. So yeah, I love this fragrance so much, and I want to tell you guys the fragrance notes in here. So the top notes are pear, bergamot, watermelon, rhubarb. Middle notes are quince, rose, freesia, orange blossom, and base notes are woody notes, musk, and amber, and it smells so good. I love like a fruity, fresh fragrance, and since we're going out tonight to the Makeup Forever event, of course I have to put on this fragrance. And I just put a tiny bit on, and then I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my friend as well, because we love smelling good and kind of love smelling good together when we like enter the room or enter the party. So I just love Dossier. Definitely check it out. They have amazing designer dupe fragrances, and they're so cute. Like, I love having a bunch of these in my room and on my vanities. Definitely check out Dossier because they have the best designer dupe fragrances for literally a fraction of the price. Like, the prices are like $29, $39, $49. They are so inexpensive. Definitely check them out. I love all the fragrances there. I've collected so many over the years, and I love them so much, and I literally keep finding more of like my faves on there. This one's my current fave right now, Floral Pear, so definitely check them out. Now that I have my fragrance on and my outfit, I'm gonna head out. This is what I'm gonna wear, and I will vlog at the Makeup Forever event. Bye. Mwah. I love this little setup. We're here at the Makeup Forever event. So cute. We are here. Oh my god, wait, I thought I was wearing a seatbelt. It looks like a seatbelt. I'm wearing a Laquan Smith dress. It's so cute. Jessie is my stylist here. We're heading to the This Is Me Now JLo movie premiere at the Dolby Theater. So we're just parked and we're gonna go inside. But I'm not gonna bring my vlogging camera because I feel like I don't know if I can bring my camera. And my bag is like super tiny. So I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone. But I just wanted to like film a little bit in here with my camera, and I'm gonna leave this in my car. All right, bye.
Erica right here, straight ahead. Erica, one step over, in the front. No, it hurts.
We did it. Sassia went on the red carpet, like taking videos of me like from the side and everything, and all the press people were like, get out! Not because they don't want her to, but she's not taking the red carpet photos like of herself, like she didn't want to. So yeah, that happened. Diet Coke. Oh, you could get it. Just get it. Popcorn, so cute. I love that. It's just fresh popcorn.
Why do I feel like crying?
It's my vlog. Why? Okay, Celine got laser treatment yesterday, so she doesn't want to be my vlog, but it's fine. It's not like, it looks cute. And it was 2 days ago. Yeah, also the video, like my camera, the G7X, it adds like a little bit of a, yeah, like a little creamy filter situation. But we're at Azai hand roll. You can see in the background, like a little sign. And we got food. We're getting sushi today. Yum. Can't wait to eat it.
I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty.
Wow, it's so good. I'm like a food blogger now.
You were what I needed this whole time.
Okay, so this is the red Dolce & Gabbana outfit. I don't know, it kind of feels like lingerie actually. Corset top and skirt. It kind of feels like, or looks like, what is that, Crazy Horse in Paris? It looks like a burlesque outfit, I feel. I like it, but I definitely feel like it looks like a dress. It doesn't, you can't tell if it's a skirt. So let's try something else.
Fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching a week in my glam life. I hope you guys like this vlog. I'm actually going to end the vlog right here and close it out because I'm going to go to an art show and I'm going to go to a really cute Care Bear art show. My friend's piece is in there and my clothing piece, actually like from my clothing line, was supposed to be in there, but they actually had to like remove it because I don't know, different rules and stuff like that. But next art show, hopefully my clothing piece is in there. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed already, click on the subscribe button below and also make sure to keep in touch with me on all my other social media platforms. So yes, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And also if you have not checked out my clothing line, it is called Luxari. So make sure you check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.